This is CBS 5 News, telling it like it is.
The U.S. Senate has taken its first votes on the immigration reform legislation. Now, this bill would create a 13-year path to citizenship for most of America's 11 million undocumented immigrants. So if it passes, what impact will this controversial bill have right here in Arizona? Elizabeth Erwin is live in our newsroom with a straight story for us tonight. Elizabeth?
Seeing if the bill passes, it would open the doors of citizenship for millions of people nationwide and about 210,000 right here in Arizona. That's a big number that could have a big impact on our economy.
Well, I've been doing this for about 27 years.
Ray Garcia is a construction worker. He lives in the U.S. legally, but says he knows plenty of people who don't. People trying to make ends meet while living under the radar.
We all got to make a living. We got families to raise, and we're working out here every day, something that nobody else wants to do. We're all doing it here.
Because of the undocumented or unauthorized status of these workers, they tend to work in primarily, limited number of areas: construction, some of the restaurant, service types of industries.
John Egbert is a labor and employment lawyer. He says if the immigration bill passes, that will all change.
I think once they have a legal status and they're authorized to work, there's nothing that will prevent them from working in other types of areas that were otherwise would have been more risky for them to try.
Which would mean more competition. And with that, John says, lower pay. John also expects we see an increase in the number of people taking advantage of employment benefits.
So I think there will be some impact in terms of the level of workers' comp claims.
Because workers won't be afraid of getting in trouble if they come forward to collect. Garcia says it would mean many of his friends would be able to contribute to the state while providing for their families.
They want to do that, to be able to make a living for themselves, to make something for the family, put food in their table.
Studies show if passed, the bill would increase tax revenues by $1.68 billion in our state alone. Back to you.